Hi, I welcome you all with an obscure and cozy background. This is me on the screen. I've been teaching on Udemy over the course of 2 years, and I have over 3,000 students on my courses. I teach AI and ChatGPT particularly. And so, welcome to this course. I'm so excited that you've decided to join us on this beautiful journey to explore how we can use ChatGPT's powerful API, aka OpenAI's API, to create practical real-world applications. In this course, we'll learn how to build two AI-powered applications using ChatGPT's API. The first app will be Amazon AI Voice Assistant, an app that simulates a voice assistant using speech recognition and natural language generation. The second app will be Twitter Scraper with LLM, a tool to scrape Twitter data, analyze it, and provide insights using ChatGPT. We'll start with an introduction to ChatGPT and its API, then set up our development environment. Afterward, we'll dive into building both apps, step by step, learning to integrate speech and text processing, as well as scraping analyzing data from social media. Finally, we'll cover how to deploy and scale these apps using tools like Fast API or Flask. Why we're creating AI apps, by the way? The answer is simple. AI is transforming industries, and by building AI-powered applications, you'll be able to automate tasks, extract insights, and create smarter, more efficient systems. Maybe you'll be creating your own SaaS application where you can market it, publish it in the marketplace, and you can make a lot of money. What you'll achieve by the end of this course, you'll be able to use ChatGPT's API to build and deploy AI apps, integrate speech recognition, natural language processing, and web scraping. Also, you'll be able to deploy and scale applications in real-world environments. Without further ado, let's just get started. See you in the next one.